Hi everybody, thank you for tuning in to our latest video. In this video we're going to be demonstrating our stencil system, but we're going to be applying a granite effect to the surface. So it's going to have beautiful non-slip textures, and then we're going to be actually hopper gunning some different colours and accent colours through the surface to really give that multiple tone effect that you get with natural stone and granite stone. So as you can see from this first clip, all the prep work's been laid out, the formwork's all been set to levels, ready to take the concrete. So in this section of the video we're applying texture to the concrete. This one is going to have a stone finish, and on this section here we've applied Ashton slate molds to give it a natural stone look. Previously to this stage we put in stencils, but we've coloured it, and now we're hoppering on the secondary tones going through, so it's going to have that beautiful stipple finish and that granite look that we're after. As you can see at this stage we're putting the stencils out, getting ready to expose the grout line so you can get all the effects of the pattern that we've applied previously. Once all the surface contamination has been removed, all the chips and everything's been swept away, it's then the time to apply the resin sealer, which will make the colours really stand out beautiful. If you're in the market for a decorative concrete driveway and like what you see in this video, please get in contact with us. Thank you.